How to use WeTransfer to send files. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for WeTransfer.com. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you can log in or sign up if you want. And if not, then you can simply tap on the terms of service you see there and then tap on the I agree button. Once agreed, go ahead and enter the email address of the individual whom you want to send the file, and further, go ahead and enter your email. Once you have entered both the email, go ahead and add in the title for your file send that you want to send. Further, go ahead and adjust the date and the time of the file that you are willing to send. Once done, as you can see here, if you want to send the file for up to 3 days, then you can select it for free. And if you want to extend the file period, then you have to buy a premium subscription. Further, you can tap on the 3 dots you see there in order to make any external changes if you want. And if not, then simply go ahead and tap on the add files option you see there, and further select the file that you are willing to send. Once you have selected the file, simply tap on the transfer option you see there, and with this, you will further receive a verification code in your email address. So go ahead and enter the verification code you see there, and then tap on the verify and send button, and further, as you can see, the transfer has been completed. You can then go ahead and preview the file you want, or you can simply copy the link of the file that you just sent and send it to the receiver or send it to anyone you want. So this was about how you can use WeTransfer to send files. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.